Somebody's working on something.
That's that. Boom boom. Yeah, that's boom boom in there. Boom high. Oh boom. Don't scare that kitty.
Careful.
Don't you go down there, boy. No, no. Good boy. Yeah.
Where's his ball at?
Huh?
Where's his ball?
In the back? No, it's inside.
Why don't you go get it?
I don't want to get mud all over it.
Well, just don't.
Come here, buddy. Get away from there. Come on.
You want to play outside? It's nice out here today. The sun came out, didn't it? No, don't touch. That's the cat food. Kitty cat. And kitty cat, don't get next to the edge. Yeah, stay over here. Come here, Hayden. The kitty cat's under the porch. Look what Daddy got. Oh, good. Cool.
Go, Daddy. Go, Daddy.
Throw it to Daddy. Get it. Throw it to Daddy. There you go. Good job. Oh, good job, Hayden. Catch it. Get it.
Oh.
Darn. Got it, Daddy. Good catch. I have to play goalie. I'm trying to record. This isn't going too good. People are going to get dizzy.